And here we go, continue with question 5. Given that the integral from t to 4 of 3x plus 4 to the power of minus a half is 2, find the value of t. Okay, so here we have the maths. Here we go here, right. So just writing out a little bit bigger so as you can see it. The integral from t to 4, 3x plus 4 to the minus a half equals 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ignore the 2 for a wee while, okay? I'm just going to concentrate on this side of things here, okay? So integrate from t to 4, and here we go. Now if you're going to integrate this here, you imagine that's a great big x, so it's like x to the power of minus a half. Minus a half add 1 is a half, 1 over a half is 2, so that's why that's a 2. The bracket just gets copied down, and don't forget the minus a half add 1 becomes positive a half. And what I tend to do is I differentiate this to give you 3, and you times by 1 over whatever that is differentiated, so you end up with 2 times a third, 2/3, and that's why I get what I get over here, 2/3 times 3x plus 4 to the power of a half. So I'll just run that by you again since that was quite tricky. Minus a half add 1 is a half, 1 over a half gives you 2, 3x plus 4 to the power of a half, differentiate that, you get 3, times it by 1 over that, and there we have it there. So you have t to 4 of 2/3 times 3x plus 4 to the power of a half. So we're going to have to put through both of these values. So putting t through this, you have 2/3 times 3t plus 4 to the half. You can't really do too much with that, apart from maybe just tidy it up a little bit, as you've maybe seen here. Take away 2/3 times, putting 4 through, we can do a little bit more with it. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4 is 16. So down here, again, we couldn't really do much with the first part. Over here, 2/3 times, now 16 to the power of a half, square root of 16, that's going to give you 4. 2/3 times 4 is going to give you 8/3. So what we actually have here is the first bit that we really couldn't do much with. Take away 8/3, and now I'm going to introduce the fact that it's equal to 2. So back down, back we go. That's equal to 2 now. I'm going to take the minus 8/3, put it over, add it, and if you've got a fraction calculator, of course this is easy. 2 add 8/3 is just 4 2/3. So we have this one here. I'm now going to divide that by 2/3 to get rid of it. Again, fraction calculators must make this absolutely simple, and you get 7. Now something to the power of a half, so how do you get rid of that? You square both sides. Square this one, you just get 3t plus 4. Square 7, you get 49. Okay, put over the 4 and you get 45. Divide by 3 and you get t to be 15.